Sergio, what are you working on today?
Una 2017 troca, una Chevy.
Uh, can you say it in English?
Oh, sorry. 2017 Chevy Express. Doing a oil change courtesy. When we pulled out the engine air filter, we found that it sucked in something. Luckily, it did not go inside the engine. That's why it's a good thing to check your engine air filter. Stuff like this can go in there.
What would it do if it went in the engine?
Oh, that would be catastrophic. You would not like that to go